Tired of seeing the same repetitive gadgets over and over again? Well, today's list is different. We're bringing you 5 unique and practical home gadgets from Amazon that are not only budget-friendly, but also solve real, everyday problems. From sealing snack bags to cleaning your microwave the smart way, these tools are compact, clever, and highly rated. Let's jump into these Amazon must-haves for 2025 that you'll actually use. 1. Carson's Minibrit Magnifier. Big clarity in a tiny tool. We're kicking things off with something small but mighty. The Carson's Minibrit Magnifier. Whether you're reading small print on medication labels, examining coins, or just trying to read instructions on a product box, this pocket magnifier with LED light is a lifesaver. It offers 5 times magnification with crystal clear clarity, and the built-in LED lights up automatically when you open the sliding case, so you can use it even in low light or complete darkness. Compact enough to slip into your pocket, purse, or glove box, it's perfect for seniors, hobbyists, or anyone who appreciates clear vision without the bulk. Plus, the lens stays protected inside the case. No scratches, no dirt buildup. If you've ever squinted at tiny text, this is one of those underrated Amazon gadgets that you'll wish you bought sooner. 2. Mini Bag Sealer. Keep snacks fresh without clips. Next up, if you're tired of stale chips, messy snacks, or open food bags, you need the Mini Bag Sealer in your kitchen. This thermal snack bag sealer reseals plastic and foil food bags in seconds. No clips, no rubber bands, no mess. Just pop in the batteries, press the heated edge onto the bag, and slide it across. Instant seal. It also has a built-in cutter on the other end for easy opening of sealed bags. It's compact, battery-powered, and even has a magnetic base, so you can stick it on your fridge and always have it handy. Perfect for chips, pet food, cookies, coffee bags, anything you want to keep fresh and sealed without wasting Ziplocs. 3. Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Steam-powered and sassy. Let's talk about one of the funniest and most effective cleaning gadgets on Amazon. The Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. If cleaning your microwave is a task you always avoid, this little lady is here to help. Just fill her head with a mix of vinegar and water, pop her in the microwave for 7 minutes, and let her blow off some steam. Literally. As the steam comes out of her head vents, it loosens stuck-on food and grease, making it super easy to wipe everything down with a cloth afterward. You can even add a bit of lemon juice for a fresh, natural scent. Made from heat-resistant plastic, she's dishwasher-safe and reusable. This microwave cleaner doesn't just work well, she makes cleaning actually fun. 4. Audi Star Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. Tiny but powerful. If your desk is always covered in crumbs, eraser bits, or dust, meet your new favorite helper. The Audi Star Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. This compact cleaner is battery-operated and designed to clean keyboards, desks, car consoles, and tight corners with ease. It has a 360-degree rotating design and strong suction power, 1,000 pascals, not bad for a device that fits in the palm of your hand. It's also quiet, so you can use it in the office, classroom, or even at night without disturbing anyone. The brush tip attachment helps pick up crumbs and pet hair, and the ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to use. If you're tired of brushing debris away with your hands, this desktop vacuum is a brilliant and affordable solution. 5. Screen Cleaner Kit. Safe, streak-free, and essential. Last on the list, but absolutely essential in any modern household, the Screen Cleaner Kit. Whether it's your smartphone, laptop, tablet, or TV, screens are magnets for fingerprints, dust, and smudges. This kit comes with a non-toxic, alcohol-free spray solution and a high-quality microfiber cloth that leaves your screen streak-free and crystal clear. Unlike harsh cleaners that can damage your display, this one is gentle yet effective. Perfect for expensive tech. The included phone stand is a great bonus, keeping your phone upright while you clean or watch content. If you want your screens looking brand new without risking scratches, this is one of the top-rated screen cleaning kits on Amazon. And that wraps up our list of 5 practical and clever Amazon gadgets that you'll actually use at home or at work. From keeping your snacks fresh and your microwave sparkling, to cleaning your screens and desk. These tools aren't just fun to own. They're tools that solve problems. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you've already tried any of these, drop your honest review below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos on the best Amazon gadgets, tech tools, and home hacks every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.